Hello and welcome back with another episode of Agent Imtiaz. Today we are going to discuss one platform which is very useful for automating customer support. The platform name is Vapi, and this platform is on the go to automate our customer support, lead generation, voice calls, and this actually lies in the domain of voice AI. If you're interested to automate the customer support of your business, or if you want to automatically call your customers, your potential customers for lead generation, stick tuned to this channel. So, this is the actually the platform of voice AI which you are currently seeing, right? And this is actually the voice AI agent for developers, right? So how you get started with this, how you can implement this in your business, today we are going to discuss that. First of all, you have to open up its dashboard, and you can actually log in to this. So as you know, this is my my profile inside Vapi. So if you go to you can say the assistants, this is actually the UI of the basic Vapi interface. Here you can see that we have assistants, workflows, phone numbers, tools, files, cards, right? So as you land here, right, as you land on this page, you can see that we have multiple options to create a new assistant, right? And we have phone numbers with which we can work with it, right? So let's I have already created this dummy assistant for myself, but today we are going to start this from the very scratch. Okay, so let's create a new assistant by clicking this button, right? And let's say we want to create a assistant with customer support specialist, right? This is the you can say a template we can copy. So we can create a new assistant. So Vapi has like automatically generated Alex assistant for us. We can see that the model Vapi has automatically selected. So we have multiple options like we have model, we have transcriber, we have voice, tools, analysis, and advanced option. We would go one by one to each of it, right? Let's go first of all with the model. Model is something we need to define, like the first message, like how it should start the conversation, and also the system prompt, how we want our agent to behave. Its behavior is actually decided inside the system prompt, right? And these two template text, we can see that here it is saying hi there. It would start the conversation with hi there. This is Alex from Tech Solution Customer Support. How can I help you today? So this is actually customer support for SaaS company, I think so, and it is actually providing customer support to all the customers, right? This is the model, and in this model we first of all define the first message, system prompt, as per the behavior of our agent. We also need to provide the the GPT, or you can say large language model. We select OpenAI. From here, the version of OpenAI GPT, we select GPT 4.0. We also select the temperature. Temperature is actually something like how much randomness we expect from the agent. Like let's say like whenever there's a conversation between the customer and the agent, how much randomness we want, or how much reasoning we want from our agent, right? So but as you can see, the customer support is not too much reasoning. not too much reasoning is involved in the customer support. So we keep the temperature low, right? You can see the temperature is used to control the randomness of the output. When you set it higher, you will get more random outputs. So in customer support, we don't need more randomness or more reasoning, right? So we keep it low. And maximum token, as it says that how much, the length of the message from agent is. Like if we want our replies concise, we keep it 250. 250 is a concise, message. So it says this is the maximum number of tokens that the system will be allowed to generate in each turn of the conversation, right? So after you have set up the model, you set up the first message, system prompt, and the provider and the temperature, all of these parameters, you then move to the transcriber. Transcriber is something like how you want your speech to be converted into the text. So actually we are using DeepGram provider here. We are selecting language as English. We are selecting its model as Nova 3, right? So this is also being used, and also we can see the background denoising enabled. We can enable this, right? So it would filter the background noise while the user is talking. So this is a very important parameter to be checked, right? Then comes the voice. So like how we want the voice of the agent to be, like let's say this is the voice of Vapi, and we have selected it to be Idiot, right? You would come to know it once I would show you the demo, right? Inside the additional configuration, we can see further options like background noise. So background noise is like, let's say you're talking to a customer support, and you will be hearing the office background, right? So we can select that option here, like our assistant is actually inside the office and there is some background noise in the office, right? So we can also select this configuration here, right? So if we further move towards the tools, you can say that it is actually linked with the functions, but I would come to it later. You can also do some analysis of the call, like this is a prompt that's used to summarize the call, right? So we would come to it once we need to use it, because in this tutorial I'm just going to give you a very simple overview of Vapi, how you can create a very stunning agent within minutes, right? So inside the privacy, you can do audio recording, you can do video recording, you can enable HIPAA compliance, right? So these are just the basic call timeout settings. Let's say you have set this to 10 maximum duration. This is very important. So like let's say this is the time for which the call would be remained. So in this way, these are some of the basic settings I would say to you. They would be there, right? Okay, so let's come back to you can say that the demo part. So this is the Alex, and this agent is actually the tech solution customer support, and you can see from the system prompt that his personality is there, his identity and purpose is there, like he's a customer support agent, and his primary role is to help customers resolve issues with the product and answer the queries, right? And give a satisfying experience, right? Speech characters, this is also defined here. Introduction is also defined there. So troubleshooting is also there, and the basic, you can say the password reset for common technical issues, for let's say password resets, he's also handling that. Account access problems also being handled, product malfunctions also being handled. So all of the basic conversation, this Alex agent can do, right? So this agent has all of the basic. This agent has actually all of the basic workflows written here, right? Call management is also there. So Within some clicks, I have actually created this agent. So let's test it, right? We have published our changes. Assistant has been updated. We now connect to our agent. Let's talk. Okay, so let's talk to our agent.
Hi there, this is Alex from Tech Solutions Customer Support. How can I help you today?
Hello. Thanks for connecting with me. Actually, I'm getting a problem with the app Business Flow. I'm not able to sign into your app.
I understand how frustrating that can be. Let's see if we can get this sorted out for you. Could you tell me a bit more about what's happening when you try to sign in? Are you seeing any error messages?
Well, when I try to sign in, actually when I enter my username and password and press the sign in button, it actually gives the scroller and it keeps scrolling, and it does not show me my dashboard.
That sounds frustrating. Let's try a few steps to see if we can resolve this. First, could you please try signing out completely, clearing your browser cache, and then signing back in? This often helps with similar issues.
Okay, I can check that. Okay. So if it does not solve the problem, then what should I do?
If clearing the cache and signing back in doesn't work, the next step would be to restart the Business Flow app and ensure your operating system is up to date. If you're still having trouble after that, we can look into additional troubleshooting steps. How does that sound?
Yeah, that sounds perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm glad we could get that sorted out. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
You see, so this is how much the customer support voice agent is capable of. So here, if you can see, I was actually going through the product information, which is under the knowledge base, and it states that these are the products which are this company is being managing, and this is the price subscription plans which they offer. So you can define all of this information, your personal business information, into the knowledge base, and you can train this this voice agent according to your business needs. So this sounds very perfect to me, and you can definitely craft this system prompt according to your business requirements. So you can also craft this system prompt from ChatGPT by giving this as a template. So yeah, that's very perfect. Let's call again to the same agent, and let's complain for something else.
Hi there, this is Alex from Tech Solutions Customer Support. How can I help you today?
Hello, Alex. Thanks for connecting with me. Actually, I'm getting one issue with the Taskmaster Pro app. Actually, I'm not able to launch it at all, and it crashes every time.
I understand how frustrating that must be. Let's see if we can get
Sorry,
Taskmaster Pro.
Sorry.
Oh, I'm sorry about that. Let's try to fix this issue with Taskmaster Pro. Could you tell me when this problem started happening?
Yeah, it was happening last night, and I was not able to launch Taskmaster at all.
Got it. Let's try a few steps to see if we can resolve this. First, could you restart your device and then try launching Taskmaster Pro again? This can often help with crashing issues. Let me know how it goes.
Okay, so restarting would help me, right? Restarting that.
Yes, restarting your device can often help resolve crashing issues by clearing temporary glitches. Give it a try, and let me know if Taskmaster Pro launches successfully afterward.
Sure. Thank you so much for your feedback.
You're welcome. If you need any more help,
So you can see that how much this agent is capable of. One thing you might have noticed that it is responding with some delay. So here we can see that this latency is actually being caused due to these factors, like 100 millisecond seconds are going into the deep ground where it is converting our voice to text. Then our GPT 4.0 is taking 450 milliseconds, and then we have a Vapi which is going to take 250 milliseconds. So conclusion, this is taking 900 milliseconds to respond. So we can always reduce this latency by updating some of our GPTs. Right, guys, so in this tutorial you have seen that how a simple customer support for SaaS is set up on web. So we can set up uh, customer support agent, AI customer support agent, easily on web by notifying or by updating the business requirement inside the system prompt. So we can train the AI assistant as per our business requirements, and we can expect the same output from that customer support agent. So this concludes my video for today. Keep tuned in for the upcoming latest informative videos. Thank you for watching Agent Imtiaz. Take care and bye.